blinking blue. What does that mean? I don't know. It might be on. Normally those are like jail cameras. Huh. Yeah, but I thought those jail cameras were red, not blue. I don't know. These tag ladies said they don't get a license plate number. They only get the color of the vehicle and the description of it. Okay, then why is that camera electrically doing X-ray? What? Yeah, that's an X-ray camera. Like an MRI, UV, infrared camera. Oh, look. Zoom in. See that? That's a flash drive. It flashes light, so this can take pictures of how fast these vehicles go, right? Okay, that is like a car timing thing where police officers used to point a speedometer thing from their police vehicle, and then the vehicles go, and it calculates how fast the vehicle is going. Okay, it's all. Let's look at the ones over there.